Yeah, hi there guys, and welcome to this demo of Pixelmodo. And what I'm going to do first is log in to the software, and that's the dashboard, and we'll have a look at that in just a moment. But I want to show you something really cool before we start, and that's the image grabber. So I'm in Google Images at the moment, and I've got the images sorted by labeled for reuse. So this is Creative Commons. And what I'm going to do now is right click, and I'm going to open the image inside the editor. So that allows me to edit this image, which happens to be a Creative Commons image, which means it doesn't have any copyright issues. So I can use it for my marketing purposes. And what you can do here, guys, you can add backgrounds. We'll have a look at that in just a moment. You can add filters, but what I want to show you now is another really cool feature, and that's the text and the quotes. So the software is actually connected with a database of quotes, and let me just search for something in the area of success, and let's look for something that's not too long, that's going to fit into this image. Go with this one here, and I'm just going to put it here on the side, and I can make it bold, and I can change the colors. So what do we go for? Something that's nice and bright for us, and I can have some shadows, and I can have it blurred as well. So I can do all of that, and then the other thing I can do is I can just add a normal text. I'm not going to do that now. I'll show this to you later on, but we'll get rid of that for now. But you can also add a filter to the entire image. So for example, you can add a color overlay like this. For example, let's find us something a little bit prettier like that, more subtle, and then you can darken the image as well, and you can blur it as well. You can saturate it and play around with the hues and the brightness and the contrast. So you can do all of that within the image, and then once you sort of got it the way that you want it to look, you can actually share it. Now we have two sharing facilities. The first one is with team members, so virtual assistants or co-workers, and then you just hit the share button, or you can share it on social media to make the quote, to make your image go viral. So that's the other thing that you can do, and then you can save it,